Well, good Saturday morning, YouTube world out there. I finally got some more stuff for the car, being the tail lights actually came before the drive or the night drive lights, which I ordered like 2 months ago. So today I'm gonna go ahead and do a little open box for you guys, throw them in, do a quick little install for you guys how to do it. It's pretty simple, and then my honest review if I think they're worth your time. Alright, so these guys are the laser lights, the G2 I believe, from Vet Lights. That, I got the red paired with a smoked cover. The smoked variant of the actual light itself, I just want more of a blank slate. I just want it to look black all the time, when it's off that is. So that's my reasoning for doing that. Hopefully it looks worth the shit, we'll find out together. And also I picked these taillights because it has the option just to have the single laser strip right in the middle when it's just a running light situation. So I'm very curious to see how that's going to work. It should just be a little switch on the individual tail light itself. We'll get to that when we do the open box here in 1 second. I got notification that my night drive, my Sleepy Ideals, finally shipped yesterday after 2 months. So I should get those this week, and that video should be following this one here in a few days. What else is going on? Any updates worth noting? No, I don't think so. Alright, let's do a little open box. And of course, if anything in this video you want to use, in the description will have all the products I use in this video. Okay, so I've opened the box, but there's a box inside the box. So you get some merch, you get a little bottle opener, and some sunglasses. Vet Light sunglasses. Cool. Box is very nice, very simple, elegant design here. Oh cool, so this is very simple. So some very easy literature here to read. Running light, parking light selection. If you want just the laser, which I do, it's just a little switch right there, which we'll get to momentarily. And if you don't, you just turn it off. Now, as far as the HyperFlash module, I've already got one of these installed under the dash, so I have an extra one. I had a very similar type light I installed. I think they were called the Eagle Eyes on my C6. Which I thoroughly enjoyed, and I did the same thing. I got the red ones, and then I blacked it out with the smoke acrylic, and it looked really sharp. I had my C6 before I was even on YouTube or anything. I really enjoyed that platform. I really wish I filmed a lot of the things I did on that car as well, but whatever. So, it's very gratifying. Very nice, good quality, good feel to it. That's the little switch right there I was talking about. So, yeah, it should be super simple plug and play. This just plugs right into where your receptacle is for your bulb, and these are all LED in case you didn't know. I want to say I spent about $300 on these and another $50 on the acrylic cover. Cool. And then, yeah, they're all four the same. There might be a difference between left and right. There might be. I don't think so. Maybe not. If there is, I'll tell you during the install. Cool. This seems pretty simple. It should be a really quick install. Cool. Let's go to the car and start taking the old ones out. All right, to take all four of these guys out, they're all the same. 2 screws per taillight. You need a T15. Little deal. Please don't steal my identity. Cool, so I'll do a little hyperlapse here to show you how easy it is to do. I think that took me all of, about 5 minutes to do that. Like I said, the new ones are going to plug right in. I'll show you in a second. I'm going to do this one. This is in the mail too, just for LED strip. And I'm going to black this one out just with a piece of film. And these as well, I'm going to black these out with just a piece of film. That'll be in a future video here in a couple weeks. To do this guy, it's the same as my C6. You just reach in here and do it like that. Super simple. But I'll have a video on that in a week or so. So I'm going to go and grab my new ones. Actually, I'm going to clean this out first. It's kind of gross. And then we'll throw the new ones in. All right, not perfect, but a little better. All right, so again, if you want just a laser in the middle, you want the switch to be just a little complete circuit over this position, the one line. I'm assuming it goes in this way. It could go either way, so we'll find out. together. Actually, I'm gonna plug them all in first and then turn the car on. Make sure they're working as advertised, if that makes sense. Cool, fits really good. All right, they're all plugged in. Let's go and turn the car on here. At least running lights, see what we're dealing with. Outstanding. That's really sharp. It's gonna look really good with the black covers on it. Get these guys buttoned up. I think you gotta reuse the gasket though on these. I think. I'll double check, or maybe not. No, you don't reuse the gasket or anything, but you make sure you do put all these little guys back in there. Make it watertight. It's weatherproof, I guess. Watertight. They do fit very well. Alright, that's quick and dirty. I'm always nervous when something goes too well, you know what I mean? Alright, and lastly is the smoked acrylic covers right here. They're just stick on. Should be some alcohol wipes? No, I guess not. I mean, they're brand new, so I shouldn't really need any. I had stick-on deals like this for my C7. I was always worried about they'd fall off, but I had them for 2 years. Rain, heat, snow, and they run really good, so I'm not too worried about it. To stick these down a little better. We shall see. That one fits really good. Okay, what's the deal? Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna go to the hardware store today and get some better tape. But this will give you the effect for right now anyways. Alright, I gotta fart around with the acrylic covers a little bit. But no, that's cool. Looks good. Alright, yeah, hopefully the phone picks it up. It looks so good. It looks so menacing. Oh, I love it. That's outstanding. Perfect look. Only thing I gotta do is I'll get some more clear tape for the edges to really secure them, but damn, it looks good. That was one of the fastest and quickest upgrades I've done. I really gotta get the rear markers here, or the license plate, I guess lights you call them, and that guy situated. But damn, that looks sharp. That looks really sharp. All right, quick and dirty video today, guys. That's all I got. Hopefully by middle next week, I'll have the Sleepy Eye Night Drive video up. In my personal opinion, I'll walk you through the steps on how to do it. And then my lighting should be complete. And then I got diffuser coming, and I'm gonna do all my front bushings. So that'll be coming in the pipeline too. Some window tint. It never ends, you know what I mean? Cool. Hope you guys found this informative, enjoyed it, and like I said, all the stuff I use is in the description below. Feel free to ask questions, and I'll give you a follow-up here in a week or so on how I'm liking them. So, cool guys. Thanks for watching. Take care.